What's up? It's all Bob. Ayo, ayo. What's up? It's all Bob, bro. Hello, everyone. What's this? Waiting na ba ang lahat mag-9? Yes, I'm waiting. Hello po sa inyo lahat. Ako po si Olba. Abs reveal. Nasaan po si Kuya Ken? Actually, hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya ngayon. Alam ko nasa, ano pa siya, probinsya pa siya. Magandang gabi rin po sa inyong lahat. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ay, may nagre-request to join. Oh, ayaw mag-accept. Request to join. Accept. Accept ko na. Ayaw. Ayan, pumasok na siya. Oh,
What is
gabi.
up?
Ayan, gabi pa dyan.
Nasasakyan pa ako eh. Iwanan ba?
Nagaling.
Gabi dito eh. Umaga ba dyan?
Saan ba yan?
Hindi na, nasasakyan
Oh, wala
lang
ka
ako.
pala din sa Pinas. Wala ka pa sa Pinas?
Dito ako sa Pinas, anak na to ako. Gabi naman dito ah.
Ah. Okay. Nagaling.
Nig ba
Ay,
ako?
nasa kotse ka pa.
Hindi, kanina pa ako nasa labas. May mga errands.
Ayun. Actually, hindi nila alam kung ba tayo naka-live.
Kaya,
Guys, naka-live po kami kasi nag-aabang po kami sa upload ng The First Take. Oh my God! Legit talaga yung The First Take. Talagang one take lang yung The First Take. Hindi namin,
bawal ba talaga second take doon?
hindi. Well, kasi meron akong mga trust issues sa mga ganyan eh. Mga sisay, first take. First take. Pero nung nag-record tayo, one take nga lang talaga.
Ayaw talaga.
One take lang talaga.
Nagpakaawa kami doon kung pwede ba second take, ayaw eh.
Ah, Actually, nagtanong tayo bago pa tayo sumabak. Talagang one take lang po ba talaga? One take lang talaga. Hindi ako makapaniwala. So, lahat talaga ng nagpa-perform doon sa first take, magagaling. Let's go!
Ang galing talaga ah.
Anyway, para sa mga nandito sa live ngayon, saglit lang kami magla-live. Kasi gusto sana namin na mag-abang kayo dun sa upload ng The First Take. Siyempre. Nabanggit na ba ni The First Take kung ano yung kakantahin natin? Oo nga, nabanggit na. No?
Blurred daw. Nasa Japan daw. Pasensya na guys, nasa parking lot ako eh. Walang signal dito.
Wala signal. Ako nasa studio kasi ako eh. Oo naman, kayo ang pinakamagaling. Wow! Thank you guys. Well, actually, sobrang kabado talaga kami nun. Kasi nga, nalaman namin na one take. wala nang kahit anong gagawin. Wala nang ano, kung ano yung na-take mo doon, kung ano nangyari, yun na yun. Doon talaga masusubok ang ano mo, yung training mo. Kung paano nyo pinag-practicean yung kanta. Actually, nag-practice talaga kami bago kami pumasok doon sa The First Take eh. Nagkaroon pa kami ng sessions with Coach Brennan. Para lang just to make sure na kaya pa namin. Pero pagdating doon, legit, kabado talaga.
Grabe yung kaba. Ikaw ba naman eh? Walang ano eh, walang rehearsal eh. Rekta na eh.
Tapos ano eh, talagang yung, kung pwede kaya i-share kung ano yung itsura ng studio nila. Alam ko bawal eh. Anyway, bawal.
Bawal ata. Bawal ata.
Basta maraming cameraman. Tapos pinapanood nila kami lahat, syempre. Kasi kakanta kami dun eh.
Tsaka ano, sobrang, hindi, di ba, pinapanood. Pagkatapos, iniwan nila tayo, as in tayo lang talaga. Yung na nila yung mga
Oo nga
camera.
pala. Kasi bawal maingay.
Mm.
Anyway, guys, pwede kayong 9 p.m. yung upload niyan, abangan niyo na mamaya sa YouTube. YouTube yun, di ba? Hindi alam kung
Sa
saan
YouTube yan.
papanoorin.
Tsaka ano yan, it's a milestone for us, SB19, kasi syempre, dati, ano lang kami nagbibiroan, uy, baka pwede tayong the first take, di ba?
On the
Ganun.
first day, wow! Hindi ko
First nga.
inakalain na. Malaki yun kasi maraming artist na talagang, alam ko sobrang ano yun eh. Parang sikat talaga sa Japan, the first take.
Oo.
Lalo na, doon ko napanood muna yung malupit na performance ni Lisa. Si Lisa yung Japanese yung kumanta. Ay, alam
Mm,
niyan, yung kumanta na ang tawag din, anong anime yun? Demon Slayer, yan.
yan.
The
Demon
first,
Slayer nga.
the, ano ba yan? First, tayo ba daw yung first ever Filipino na naman? First ever
Hindi
Filipino
mo,
na
basta the first.
the first
Hindi ko alam
natin
kung
the
tayo
first
talaga
take.
eh.
Anyway, basta yung experience sobrang masaya syempre kasi syempre, 'di ba? Hindi naman basta-basta doon marating yung opportunity na ganun. Tapos seize the moment talaga yun kasi one take lang. Ay, sobrang kabado ko, naalala ko pa rin hype yan.
Alam nyo, nakakahiya nga yung mga pinagsasabi ko dun, mga adlib ko dun eh. So sana, pagka, napanood na natin eh, ano pa rin, hindi siya cringe. Kasi ako nagki-cringe ako minsan kung ano nasasabi ko, lalo na first take lang talaga. Ay, nako talaga.
Gento habang buhay. Oo, tama kay dyan. Gento yung pinerform namin doon. And, syempre, para naman may something. Medyo iniba namin yung areglo. So, sana magustuhan nyo. Yung buong trip namin sa Japan, sobrang saya eh. Kasi
Mm.
may pinuntahan pa kami before that eh. Anong tawag doon? Yung borderless something limitless. Kalimutan ko na naman.
Ah, Team Labs ba yon?
Oh, yung Team Labs. Oo, yung Team
Oo,
Labs. Oo.
yun. Na talaga doon. Sobra. Ang dami actually sa buong Japan. Para yung trip namin, enjoy talaga. Especially nga, eto, nakapag-perform pa kami dito. Pero bukod dun yung mga pagkain, tsaka yung kubeta, yung
Ah,
toilet, ang
yun
pinaka-importante.
talaga yung pinakakaabangan. Yun yung pinakakaabangan sa Japan kasi doon talaga parang doon mo ma-justify na pwede ka umupo doon ng mga 1 oras, 2 oras sa loob ng banyo. Kung gano'n ba naman yung upuan mo eh. Saka ano pala, alam mo kung bakit nakakakaba rin yung the first take? Kasi ang dami nating ginawa before tayo mag-first take. Bukod sa the first take, marami pa tayong things. Tapos may contents. Tapos nag-concert tayo before that. So medyo kabado rin tayo nun kasi syempre yung mga boses natin, hindi natin alam kung condition talaga. Ikaw ba naman mag-concert ka, kanta-kanta ka before, di ba? Isang buong concert
Meron
yun,
yun.
di lang kanta rin yun.
Yun nga yung pinaka nakakatakot sa mga ganyan. Kasi syempre, hindi tayo sigurado nun kung kaya ba natin yung makapag-adjust tayo sa weather, sa sa pagod. Walang tulugan yung time na yun eh. Tapos
Pero
ini-look
sa,
forward pa natin yung paggala eh. Kaya talagang hindi tayo nagpapahinga eh.
Oo, talaga. Oo, totoo. Minsan lang mga punta ng Japan eh. Pero sana
Mm.
magustuhan nila yung performance kasi mga okay naman.
Kaya yun, masaya. Sana.
Waiting ako
Kabado eh, no?
Sabi, next na daw yung Coachella, oh. Let's go.
Pag kami Coachella ba, pwede ang coach doon?
Ano daw?
Wala.
Laglag, pre. Hindi ko nakadinig.
Okay na
Naglag.
yun. Maigi na yung
Gustuhan daw nila. Abangan niya sa YouTube. 9 p.m. malapit na. 9:41 na, oh. Legit.
malabo daw ako.
Malapit. Ay, malabo ka pala eh. Hindi ka kasi connected sa Wi-Fi. Dito sa OneZip office, ang bilis ng Wi-Fi eh.
Buti na lang naglalag. Ano buti na lang ba naglag? Bakit kayo natutuwa?
Chandok. Ha, 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 ha. Ano ba mga experience natin sa Japan? Pero ako, one of my favorite countries yung Japan eh. After ba na first day, kasunod na ba yung ganap nyo sa 1 Million Dance Studio? Isang araw lang ba yun?
Hindi. Actually,
Eh,
ibang
dun
bansa
din
yun.
ba yun?
Baliw.
Ay, oo nga pala, sa Korea pala yung 1 Million Studio. Bano? Hindi. Akala ko na sa Japan pala yun.
Asan
Pero
po yung tatlo?
hindi ko mapaliwanag yung ano. Hindi ko mapaliwanag yung experience eh. Kasi, ayun, gusto ko lang din i-comment yung ano, yung system nila doon sa Japan, sa the first day. Kasi, sobrang, tawag dyan, sobrang systematic nung paggalaw natin doon, di ba? Parang tatawagin tayo, bago tayo pumasok, bago kumanta, tapos pipicturean, tapos talagang bilang lang yung shots, tapos may posing na kayo. So parang walang hassle, dire-diretso lang yung gagawin nyo. Pero kinabahan pa rin kami kasi yun naman yung pinaka highlight nung ganap dun sa the first take, yung performance. Wala, nawala si Josh, naglalag.
Nandito pa ako.
Ayun. Naglo-load ka, nagsisircle-circle.
Ay,
Anyway, ayun pala
ganun.
bukod sa the first
Trip
take.
naman.
Ah, ini-invite ko rin kayo bumoto pa sa Kids Choice Awards. Kids Choice Award. Award. Daming awards. Ayan. Vote for SB19. Let's go! Abangan
Let's
nyo
go.
yan ha. 8:43 na. That 12
Konti
minutes ay.
na lang.
17
Naglalog
minutes pa.
po.
Akala ko mag-ikot.
Nagkakahoy daw.
Wala. Oo nga eh. May nakita ako na nagre-request na sana daw. Wag mong ikunot ang iyong noo yung kinanta natin nung ano.
Abay, sige.
Malupi.
Sa, sana, ano na lang, pinatay nyo na lang ako.
Tapos, nandun yung ano, yung sumulat no nga. Wag mo ikunot. Yung ano, original singer.
Guys, kaya ako lag kasi nasa parking lot ako. Kaya no, nasa parking lot kaharap ko pa oh. Kaya medyo mahina ang internet natin.
Ah, alam nyo ba kung bakit malabo si Josh? Ay, hindi.
Ano naman yan?
Hindi, may nabasa lang akong comment. May nag-chat sa akin eh.
Ano sabi?
Di ka ba sinasabihan? Kaya ka daw
Hindi
malabo.
eh.
Kasi nga, the first take.
Ha?
Josh, matutulog na ako pang nag-hi ka sa akin. Ano ginagawa mo dyan?
Matutulog? Aga pa.
Josh, isa mo.
Sleep is for the weak.
Parang ganap ka daw, Josh. Kaya ka malabo ngayon.
Wala kaya talaga, oh.
Nabasa ko
Kasi
lang
ganun talaga.
sa comments. Sa
Kailangan pag
comments.
nasa Japan tayo, nandun tayo sa tema ng Japan, di ba?
Guys,
Okay ba yan, guys?
PM Ay, better. Okay. May nagsabi sa akin, better if in English daw. Asni. Okay. Hello, guys. Naku, pag English to, wala na magsasalita. Anyway.
Dalawa na lang tayo, eh, no?
For everyone who's
Pinahirapan niyo po kami, ha?
For everyone who's watching this live right now, you can check out our content sa The First Take at 9 p.m. You can check their social media account on YouTube. You can watch their performance. Gento. SB go!
Okay, Pablo and Josh doing this live.
And before we
As you guys
even
can see,
perform during the first take, before we
I watched
performed
till
our song
15 minutes,
Gento,
so Yeah, I'm watching it
we
again.
were having a banter. And
What is Josh doing?
yan, bakit nagla-live? Ano ba yung sasabihin ko na wala tuloy ako sasabihin ko eh. Ba't kasi English? Pero for all our fans, like
Like a Josh.
from
Oh,
different
Joshy.
different parts of the world, please join us. Wait for the upload or our performance on the first take.
If you guys haven't watched First Take Performance, go watch. And
Tara na,
also,
guys.
I have reacted,
Dito sa
so
baba.
watch that too.
Inaantay ko na kayo.
Ano yung tuloy? Wala lang akong masabi. Anger. Ay, just magsalita ka daw. English, English.
Hello everyone. My name is Ross.
Everyone's saying to speak in
tonight,
English.
Yeah,
Okay.
like what Pablo said, we're gonna be premiering the first take. It's called the first take because it is the first take.
Legit.
I don't have anything to
100%.
say. Come here,
Josh is
down here.
this filter though.
Also-
Josh's filter though.
As we are waiting for the premiere of the first take performance of SB19,
Yeah.
you can vote us on
Can
Kids
vote us.
Choice Awards
Yes.
for SB
His choice award.
19 from the
Vote.
Philippines. Let's
18.
go. The first.
Ganito yung mag-itsura nyo kapag tumatawa kayo sa mga hindi dapat tinatawanan ng mga content sa TikTok tsaka sa Instagram.
Wala akong
Sama-sama na tayo dito.
Ayun. Yes. Also, if you have time and you visited Japan, go to Team Labs. It was a nice place. It's full of
I would
amazing
love to.
what do you call those? Setup. Siguro one of my favorites dun sa Team Labs was yung the play of lights, and we even danced Moonlight there. So yeah, go and check it out. Go visit Team Labs. Ayo.
Pamilya lahat eh.
Your place is
yeah.
We only have
Yeah,
10 minutes before the premiere of SB19's Gento on the first take. So
Josh's net
Ready
is
your-
slow, I
Oh,
guess.
yeah.
ready your devices.
Yeah, that's right.
Huh?
I think my voice is delayed, isn't it?
Someone said that the reason why I'm talkative right now is because of my mole. I do believe in that, bro. When kuya punta dito UK, please? I don't know. No. One song lang po. One song lang po? Well, one song lang ba yun? Basta the first take.
I don't know.
Well, if you watch, if you visit their channel on YouTube, usually artists perform there singing one song only. Oh, ano ba yun? And
Pablo is reading all the comments. It
But-
looks like.
SB19 sang Gento.
Oh my god, their net
What the-
though, their network.
Oh, no!
Just
Ano
like
po?
my one.
Search, what should I search on YouTube? Of course, the first take.
The first take, my idol.
Just search for the first take. And maybe when the video is up already, you will see the video on their channel. So, go ahead, visit the channel now.
Yes, and share Share it, guys. Share it.
Share it to your friends.
It's another milestone, and I think yeah, we're very proud of that moment. We're very excited during that time, and I hope we get another chance or maybe other chances to perform in other, those kinds of similar events and platforms.
Of course,
So proud of
thank you to
SB19.
Sony for supporting
First
us.
Filipino to do so. So yeah.
Ay, masarap kahit sunog. Boss. Guys, only 8 minutes left. Make sure your devices are all ready to watch our performance on the first take. Pablo, pansinin mo ko. I don't want to, bro. Ang sarap pala sa feeling mabasa comment ko. Haha, thank you. Ang hirap naman kapag ano. Ay, man, pag nagliliyab si
Malinaw ba ako? Malinaw ba ako? Or delay yung boses ko?
We are so proud of you guys. Thank you so much. We are so proud of ourselves as well. But
Yeah,
thank
same.
you all so much
Yeah,
for your support. Like
we're so proud of
this opportunity won't
SB19.
be possible if it weren't for all of you guys. We are here right
Humble people.
now. It's all because of you.
Yeah.
Pakisabi kay
Humble
Ken, hintayin
Pinuno.
ko po siya dito sa Sorsogon. Paano siya pupunta dyan? Hindi niya alam. Malabo ka daw. Ba't nandyan si Mephisto? I don't know.
Malabo pa rin ba? Malabo?
Oh?
Sa-
Pablo. I don't wanna wait.
Mga 5G naman
Yung
dito.
Bitcoin Gento Remix nagtitrending sa TikTok now. What? Ano yun? Gento Remix.
Yung ata
Guys!
yung yung pinerform natin sa pagtatag.
5 minutes left. Come on. Kailan balik nyo ang Japan? Oh, when we'll be coming back to Japan? Ah, how I wish could go back right now. At this very moment.
Wala na. Hindi sa akin nag-load yung mga comments. I'm so sad. I couldn't even read your comments, guys.
Should we end our live? Josh, nahihilo. Pablo, mamansin ka po. Huwag nyo end live para live reacts. What? I'm only using my phone. Then I wouldn't be
Yeah,
able to watch the first thing if I'm doing live right now. Pablo,
It's gonna
saan
be
ka
hard.
lang excited?
Look at Pablo's smile.
Tanggapin na lang
His
natin
smile.
sa Pinas tayo guys, malabo talaga. For sure
Okay
naman.
lang malabo. Basta tayo malinaw.
For sure, 18 will like our performance. Malinaw daw. Hello, good morning. What else to say? Yeah, we're just happy now we're able to perform to the first take. It was a once in a lifetime opportunity.
Yes. And of course, if you're new to this live, if you haven't actually get to watch the start of this live, we're discussing about the first take. And I hope you guys check it out on YouTube. It's gonna be out now at 9 p.m. Philippine time. And of course, we've put so much effort. And of course, we are very proud and excited about the output. So I hope you guys share it, watch it, and enjoy.
Yes, that's right. Again, we're SB19 from the Philippines.
Yeah.
You make us Filipinos proud. Thank you so much. I mean, malabo man si Josh, malinaw naman pagmamahal ko sa kanya. Alright.
Hindi na sa akin naglo-load yung comments. I'm so sad. Bro.
So
Wala.
in 4 minutes. So for those who's watching this live right now, there's only 4 minutes left before the premiere of our performance on the first take. 3 minutes. So if you don't know the
So
exact
yeah, they're
time in your
gonna end their
country,
live in
there's
one
only
two
three
minutes.
minutes left before it will be live on the first takes channel. So go ahead and check it out. Search the first take on YouTube. SB19 Gento. Bye-bye. 3 minutes na lang. Thank
Bye
you all so
bye.
much for watching this live.
Thank
I
you,
hope
thank
everyone
you.
gets
Arigatou gozaimasu.
arigato
Thank you.
gozaimasu. Itadakimasu. Ay, iba pa rin.
They're saying bye in Japanese.
End na po kayo. Hindi na kami makakapanood, please. Alright, guys. I will be ending this
Bye-bye.
in 1 minute. 8:58.
Naiinig na ako.
Thank you all so much. And also, vote us in Kids Choice Awards. So,
Yes, do
SB19
it.
po
18.
for your support. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye
See you all
bye.
soon. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye, pal.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
So Pablo and Josh talked about a lot of things in this live, especially Pablo talked about a lot of things. He said thanks to 18, because of 18 they're now doing all these things, they're going to so many places, they're visiting those places, and they're doing concerts, and yeah, he said thanks to all the 18, and he also said that 18 deserves this. I would say SB19 deserve all these happiness and all this success and everything. Yeah, I'm just so happy as an 18. And also, they talked about the first take, what it means to them. So, yeah, I'm just super happy for SB19.